I actually can't believe it still works.
Is that the tape deck?
Yeah, it is.
Tunes as well. So Sam's even treated the old Midas to a new horn, so should be pretty good. What was the other one like, Sam? Was it like a bit deflated noise? Buzzing. So all the way from China in less than a week. So we'll get this plugged in and see what it's like. Looks pretty cool. It's got to be loud. It's red. So that was like the quickest install ever. Do you want to give it a quick toot again, Sam? That'll do. It's like the shiniest thing in the engine bay. Found out the issue with the windscreen, haven't we?
Yeah.
It's a bit too tight.
Can't even get a finger in the corner.
Well, you get two in that corner. You only get one in there.
So we spent, what, 2 hours
Yeah, about 2 hours.
trying to squeeze this under the seal.
Yeah.
And it's tight on that corner.
And it's actually touching it. Right. Look at that. Oh, look at the colour.
So that is never going to fit.
Yeah.
So, swanky heated windscreen.
It's a no-go.
So it's back to the one we just took back to my house.
Yeah. We've done a bit of tour throwing, haven't we,
Yeah,
already?
we thought we were tidying up and we actually got to go back. And hopefully it's not damaged. We took it back. It's in the garage.
Yeah.
In front of the Mini. So we'll see.
We'll be fine, but yeah, this can't go in.
So the rubber...
Unless you want to get a Dremel. And...
no.
Get a grinder out.
Do I want to get grinder out? He's talking about fingers and gaps, and I was talking about grinder.
Get a grinder out, they're whole bigger.
Yeah. He said grinder, not a grinder. So you think about that.
It's late at night.
Yeah,
it's snotty.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Yeah.
Long day.
Yeah. So it's in now, though, isn't it? It's just not gone down enough. It looks like it's further down this side than it is your side.
I think that side's fine. That's
Yeah,
in
that's
there,
I reckon.
isn't
Yeah,
it?
because you can. I know it sounds weird. You know the filler strip tool. Try and because you can weave all the rubber with it. Or is that not going to work? That's moving. Scut and everything's flexing as well. But, screen properly. You don't need the filler strip.
No, tight.
How do you like it?
Tight as up.
Meet Gary. Fast bugger, isn't he? The speed of that. He likes to paint too.
Reckon adapting to that.
Look at that. Wildlife at its best. Gary?
Speaking of wildlife,
Tony's doing the job we've done 4 times already.
Our natural habitat there, isn't it?
what, doing your hinges?
Stand by the bins.
On.
the bins. Oh dear. Ready?
Yeah. Lights, yep.
Ready?
Yep. Ooh. Yeah, well good. Right, do it again.
You working?
Yeah. Yeah, it's well good.
50 Shades of Yellow, isn't it? Yeah.
I can't see you. I've just got a car. Look at those.
So that's
Tony, we fixed something.
new bulbs and chrome paint and clean lenses.
Are you happy now, Sam? Yeah, so we ran this massive earth cable. Look at that big boy. And
someone drunk,
but we clearly don't need them.
Because basically, I got an earth cable off eBay, 3 metre length. I didn't look at the thickness because I might have had a few metaxas last week, maybe a little bit. So I went buy, and it, yeah.
Well.
It's the brightest. That is the brightest the back end's ever been.
They look really good. So I got numplate lamps put in yet, and then connect the front ones up as well.
Being a bit brave.
I know. I don't do wiring, Sam.
As long as they work.
See that now. Oh, this side worked. I'm well proud of that.
one more side to go.
So Sam, how proud are you of me? Look at these crimps.
Yeah.
Everything's working.
Happy, aren't we? Happy days.
Yeah, look at that. It's a well noisy flashy unit, that, isn't it?
Yeah, it sticks and indicates, that's why I swap it in a bit.
Yeah. Well, there you go. This is a massive front set. Right, we don't need any more crimps, do we? Got me my tongue hanging out when I concentrate.
Yeah, it's well.
Huh?
You can't get the staff these days. I mean, it did that slide in about a minute. And I might dock your wages, Mark.
Yeah, please don't pay me £5.65 an hour.
KFC do.
Only if you include hot wings.
Yeah.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. A real gangster ass nigga plays his cards right. A real gangster ass nigga never runs.